Good morning, everyone. Our task for today is to disassemble the system unit. By the way, I'm Prince Valencia.
I'm Ricky Canugo.
And let's start. First, to uninstall is the chassis. The function of the chassis is to hold all parts of system unit. Next to uninstall is the power supply. It's used to supply electricity to the power to the computer. Start to connect the device such as CD-ROM drive, HDD, EDE port, and etc. Next to uninstall is the fan. Fan is blow away the heat from. Next to uninstall is the HDD. Here's an example. This means that the information stored in the hard disk is a permanent storage device of our system unit. Next to uninstall is the network card or LAN card. It's used to connect the computer to internet or our network. Next to uninstall is the heatsink. It absorbs heat from the CPU or processor.
Sa paghihintay sa magpakailanman at kapag ating naintindihan.
Next to uninstall is the CPU. CPU is also called the Central Processing Unit. CPU is the main brain of the computer and it is an important part of every computer. Last to uninstall is the motherboard. Motherboard is an important part of the computer. Motherboard is also called the system unit board of the main board. Motherboard is made up of different parts such as slot, sockets, ports, and etc.